Does this scenario sound familiar to you? You've been gathering information and preparing your pack. You've just about got it ready, but you've got a late piece of information still to come in and it's critical to the meeting. So what you do is you wait for as long as you can. You end up missing your review deadlines. You end up missing the publication deadline. And what ultimately ends up happening is you publish a late or substandard piece of work. And what's worse is you're doing that to the most influential people on your project. Do that enough times and eventually you're going to start to get a bad reputation. So what are you supposed to do? If the information's that important, maybe it's worth postponing the meeting. But if that's not a suitable option, consider sending an addendum. So here's what you do. You prepare the pack as far as you can. You go through the review process and you publish the pack, leaving the section that's missing marked as going to be sent later on as an addendum. As soon as you've got your missing information, you edit it until it's in a suitable format to be a standalone document. You issue this then to the board delegates in an email marked addendum, materials, project board, or whatever it's called. But you make sure you include the original document, the original pack that you've already sent. Don't update the original pack that you've already sent out. All that'll happen is you'll end up having multiple versions in circulation and it'll just cause confusion.